Hello everybody, my name is Obo Obasi. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching my video. So tonight, because it is the night time, I felt extremely lazy today and I didn't feel like recording, but I recorded anyways. Well, better late than never. So tonight, I'm doing an unboxing of a package I got earlier. As you can see right there behind me, or I don't know if you guys can see, but it is right there behind me, is the projector screen. So I'm gonna give you an updated review on the projector that I got, and yeah, so I'm gonna set up the projector screen and then show you guys the finished look in this episode of Oba's Dream Room. I'm the lyrical gangster. I just wanted to see how far down it will be once I nail it into the wall. And it's perfect. It's gonna stop like right here. That'll be perfect. So now I get my tools and measure it, like where exactly it ends, and then yeah, show you guys the finished look.
bit each. Oh, there you go, guys. Here's the finished product. Look at that. Pretty weird. I actually ordered some other rings to put the projector on. I'm gonna have to redo it because you see the sprinkle here. I didn't measure it correctly. Kind of rushed it, but yeah, it looks nice. It looks really nice. I like it so far. So now I'm gonna give you guys an update on the projector. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the projector on. Alright guys, so here's the finished setup. It obviously looks amazing. I mean, look at the swoozy videos. Look at the swoozy videos, man. So it's at an angle right now because I don't have the shelf that I'm gonna put my projector on yet. Once I have the shelf, this whole screen will be filled out and it'll look crazy. But yeah, so far it looks really good. My updated review, I'm gonna give this projector a 9.8. I'm gonna give it a 9.8. It's almost there. If it was 4K, I mean, it's not 4K, obviously not for $250, but if it was 4K, this projector would be wild, bro. But yeah, so there you guys go.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this Swoozy video and finish my food. But my name is Obasi. I make unboxing videos, faith videos, real estate videos. So if any of those intrigue you, stick around, subscribe, stay tuned in for this video series that I'm doing on remodeling my entire room and getting my dream room. And stay tuned for my vlogs that's coming while we're stuck inside and see what I do every day, how I'm spending my time. Alright guys, so God bless you guys. Shalom.